This short video will provide you with an introduction to how the app of the New Wales Safeguarding Procedures looks and how to navigate your way around it with specific reference to Section 1 to accompany the Section 1 video. When the app is downloaded or you enter the website, you will be faced with the screen in front of you now. The introduction sets out the context for the procedures, the legislative context that underpins it, how they've been developed, and some guidance on how to use the procedures. If we click on back to home, it will take us to the front page. This video is focusing as part of the series of videos on the adults at risk, so we will go into the adults at risk section. As you will see, each of the sections are set out separately. If we go into Section 1, you will then see the equivalent, I guess, of chapters, sections within the overall section on principles and effective practice. You click in to each of the sections. Wherever you see wording that is highlighted, you can click on that and it will bring up the detail that sits behind that phrase or that word in particular. So here we have the section on safeguarding principles. If we wanted to understand what is meant by safeguarding in these procedures, then we can click on the safeguarding word. To get back to the previous page, it's easier to click on the small green writing at the top where it says back to safeguarding principles. It brings us back to that key contents list. Within this section, you will see the principles, what we mean by person-centered approach, the different definitions, how are we promoting prevention and early intervention. Some of the pointers for practice that are mentioned in the Section 1 video include the pointers for practice in relation to taking a person-centered approach. And here it is. Again, then, we will go back to the top of the screen. There's no option to go back to, so we will click on the arrow, and then we can get back to the content list. The definitions of adults at risk of abuse and neglect are set out in this section. And again, as advised in the video that accompanies Section 1, there is the signs and indicators of possible abuse and neglect. And if you work your way down, you will see the different types and indicators of abuse and neglect, a description of what the indicators may be. Okay, so we'll go back up and we click back into the section on definitions. We can click back to, and we will come back to the main content list. If we then want to get back to each of the sections, we would then click on back to adults at risk, and there we have the different sections in front of us again.